hell! Ah, my hand! Fucking hell! You still got one, mate?
Light out for it.
Most of you.
Yeah, you for it.
No, like wildfire.
Hold it and just for it. Shit!
I don't think it lit, you know.
No?
No, I don't think so. Wait a minute. I burnt my hand. No, I didn't even light.
Go back.
That one fell off, innit?
Come on, it's gonna go quick.
Wait, that fucking...
Put it down a bit more. Yeah?